do it, let's do it, man. Why am I so short?
Bro, I don't know where the f we are. I'm lost. Like, what the heck?
Hello, guys. We're NoBlading Boston chapter.
There you go.
Yeah, meeting with CTWeeklySkate, Southbridge, Mass.
That ain't the baby, that's
Chasing rich, baby.
Nigga off the top, what the fuck you thought? I ain't gotta wait to kick. If a bitch want me, then a bitch gon' wait. I ain't gotta wait for bitch. I feel like playing, I'ma play with my kids. I ain't finna play with niggas. I gotta go for every room I got in my crib. You can say I stay with bitch. You can say that I stay with another nigga bitch. You can tell if you play, I'm pissed. You can tell that I'm nothing like none of these rappers. Everybody know baby dick. Yeah, no, I'm not no motherfucking tough guy.
Southbridge, that's exactly where we are, Southbridge. You can tell I'm disoriented, I don't know exactly where I am.
You left my house. Broke in the place in my city, but if I do, she from the west side. And I can be fucking you bitches for free. You gotta pay me on